Oh my gosh, I like your hair. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, they
Really,
like my
really
hair.
do like your hair.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like my hair. Caramel too.
Ano mga music video ni Philip? What music video? Kamot kanta.
My hair is straight.
Oh my gosh. Ano to?
Siyempre ako. Ginaparayo ko lang. Philip's hair is straight!
Straight.
Oh, straight na natural.
Natural na pinag
Okay, what music video for
Philip straight. Hindi ako mapasok.
Girl.
Go Philip, let's go Philip. Let's
Go, Philip.
You already had the love song.
Okay, sige na.
Okay, what love? Wow, what love song? I'm sorry.
Okay, music video,
Music video again.
Yeah,
What
music video
song? I have few
Di ba, may
love
dati
songs
may dang
here
nagdi-di.
and I kissed a girl.
I kissed a girl and I like that song.
Kissed a girl.
No, I just like the beat. I did not say I actually did kiss a girl, but you know.
No,
Okay, I'll
literally.
stop talking.
I know it's literally.
You said you're going
Yeah, I know.
to disturb you again? Wait.
Hindi na ganun. Uy, hindi na ganun, hindi na ganun.
Okay, okay. Di na ganon.
Music video kita.
Dili kita din.
Cute na.
Nakadili kay maka dito.
Maikot maka, di na ako.
Dili kay maka dito dili na camera na. Nakadili ka din.
Ito, nag-iisog
Wait,
ako.
wait.
Dapat
Wait, sorry ka na feelings para kang silip.
Nakadi ka.
Again, we're going to
again,
start all
Okay,
over
hindi,
and
hindi
it's
tanay
just
ito,
to
hindi
please
tanay.
you.